Israel, by author Graham Coates, takes a look at the issues surrounding the tiny nation. For centuries, Jews have been abused. Coates examines the root of anti-Semitism and debunks replacement theology, one of the most heretic beliefs in the church today. Both are tools used to undermine God's love for Israel and faithfulness to the covenant He made with Abraham. The Old Testament prophecy of a valley of dry bones is being fulfilled before our eyes as Jews from all over the world return to their promised land. Now, the bones are coming together following the birth of the State of Israel in 1948. Jews from all over the world are returning to the promised land and turning Israel into a major international power. God is not yet finished with His people, and Coates reveals what God says is Israel's glorious future, His return, and the establishment of His throne in the city of Jerusalem. Available online at exlibris.com.